Hello students, welcome back. How are you all? Fine? Good. Yesterday we started with our lesson. The name of our lesson is gender. Correct or not? The gender. And then in that lesson we studied about question answers. Right? We studied about by using S, only by adding S or by adding ES. Correct? And in yesterday's period we studied by using totally different genders, masculine gender and feminine gender. Masculine gender means what? Male. Feminine gender means what? Female. आणि ते एकदम सेपरेट वेगवेगळे शब्द असतात, त्याला आपण काय म्हणतो? त्याला म्हणतो different words used for masculine gender and feminine gender. And today we are going to do question number 2. Yesterday we completed our question number 1. And today we are going to start with question number 2. What is our question number 2 is? The question which we are studying is match the columns. Match the columns म्हणजे काय? जोड्या लावा. Match the columns means what? जोड्या लावा. तर आता जोड्या लावायच्या, तर मग कसं करायचं? Now first word, these all are male. They all are what? Male. And these all are, this side is female. इकडे सगळे फिमेल्स आहे, इकडे सगळे मेल आहे. ओके. नाउ फर्स्ट आन्सर, फर्स्ट इज DUKE ड्यूक. DUKE ड्यूक. तर आता काय करायचं आपल्याला? व्हॉट वी हॅव टू डू हियर? द फिमेल ऑफ ड्यूक इज व्हॉट? डचेस. व्हॉट इज फिमेल ऑफ ड्यूक? डचेस. अंडरस्टूड? द सेकंड एक्झाम्पल इज गिवन ऑफ लँडलॉर्ड. Landlord means what? The person who has lot of property, that person is known as landlord. ज्याच्याकडे खूप सारी प्रॉपर्टी असते, खूप सारी जमीन, बंगला, गाडी वगैरे असते, त्या माणसाला आपण काय म्हणतो? लँडलॉर्ड. आणि मग लेडीला काय म्हणणार? लेडीजला काय म्हणणार? लँड लेडी. लँड लेडी आहे का शब्द? येस, हिअर. सो लँडलॉर्ड, लँड लेडी. अंडरस्टूड? Masculine gender, feminine gender. Next example is HOST, host. HOST, host. Host means what? The person who hosts the guest. Correct or not? कुणी जरी आपल्या घरी आलं, गेस्ट आलं, तर आपण त्यांना वेलकमिंग वगैरे करणं, त्यांना चहा पाणी देणं, त्याला होस्ट म्हणतात. ओके. द पर्सन हू डज दॅट पर्सन इज नोन ॲज होस्ट. So what will be feminine gender of HOST, host? The feminine gender of host is hostess. HOSTESS, hostess. What is feminine gender of host? HOST, host. The feminine gender of host is hostess. The next example is of nephew. Now nephew means what? पुतण्या. आपण मराठीतून काय म्हणतो? पुतण्या. तुम्ही जर तुमच्या काकांना तुम्हाला जर कोणी विचारलं, तर तुम्ही तुमच्या काकाचे कोण लागतात? हू आर यू ऑफ युअर अंकल? देन यू व्हॉट यू विल से? मॅम, आय एम नेफ्यू ऑफ माय अंकल. मी कोण लागतो? मी पुतण्या लागतो. कुणाचा? माझ्या काका. ते माझे काका आहेत आणि मी त्यांचा पुतण्या आहे. पुतण्या इन इंग्लिश मीन्स व्हॉट? नेफ्यू. व्हॉट इज नोन ॲज नेफ्यू? नेफ्यू मीन्स पुतण्या. Okay. Then what is putani called then? Boy is called putanya. Then what is girl called? Girl is called putani. And in English for putani we called niece. NIECE. What we call for putani? For putani we call niece. So niece spelling is there or what anywhere? Yes. NIECE. Niece. Nephew. Niece. दिसते का? राईट. तुम्हाला आन्सर्स दिसत आहेत का बोर्डवरचे? येस, यू कॅन सी. नेक्स्ट एक्झाम्पल इज ऑफ पिकॉक. पिकॉक मीन्स वॉट? पिकॉक मीन्स मोर. करेक्ट or not? What is peacock? Peacock is our national bird. National bird means what? Our country has national animal, national emblem, national bird. And then what is peacock? Peacock is national bird of our country. Okay. And then male is called peacock. In Marathi we call more. and for morni, what we call, no, more landor, not morni, landor, more, आणि female of more is what, landor. So in English it is called peacock, male is called peacock, and then what is female called? Female is called peahen. What is female called? Female is called peahen. Male is called peacock and female is called peahen. समजलं? 5 answers you have understood? Good. The sixth example is given of fox. Fox means what? Kola. Fox means what? Kola. Now here when we talk about fox, when we talk about fox, male is called fox, then what is female called? The female of fox is called vixen. What is female called? Female is called vixen. Male is called fox, female is called vixen. Understood? The seventh example is of wolf. WOLF, wolf. Now male is called wolf, correct? Then what is female called? Here it is, answer is given, she wolf. Male wolf is called wolf and female is called she wolf. So I am going to match the pair with she wolf. समझले? Understood? Have you understood? Good. And the last example is of wizard. Now wizard is a person who does magic, jadoo mantar, correct or not? Wizard who has stick in hand and does what? Magic. Magician is another, magician is another, and jadugar is another. Yes or no? There are people, those who do magic, black magic, they are called what? They are called wizard. It is right. Wizards are called magic, those who does magic, or then you can, yes, you can call it magic only. And the female, male is called wizard, and then what is female called? Female is called witch. Jadugar, jadugarin. Okay. You cannot call jadugar also. Jadugar means what? Magic, those who does magic, correct or not? Wizard and witch, those who knows some magic and that magic is done on people, they are called what? Wizard and witch. Okay. In this way we have done what? We have done match the pairs. Duke, duchess, landlord, landlady, HOST, host, hostess, nephew, niece, peacock, peahen, fox, vixen, wolf, she wolf, wizard, witch. After that, next question is of fill. What we have to do, wherever masculine gender, जिथं मेल जेंडर आहे तिथे काय करायचं? मेल जेंडर ऐवजी फिमेल जेंडर लिहायचं, आणि जिथे फिमेल जेंडर आहे तिथे मेल जेंडर लिहायचं. बुकमध्ये काय केलेलं आहे ते ब्लू कलरमध्ये केलेलं आहे. व्हॉट इज डन? It is done in blue color. Beta, I will just bring the book and show you. 1 minute, students. Here it is told that there are some sentences in which male person is written in blue color and female person is also written in blue color. And what we have to do? We have to change those genders. What we have to do? We have to change those genders. I will show you. See here. Rewrite the following sentences, changing the nouns in color from masculine to feminine or feminine to masculine. Feminine masculine मध्ये करायचं आणि masculine feminine मध्ये करायचं. तर पहिलं सेंटेन्स काय? Your husband knows Mrs. Sharma. What your husband knows? Your husband knows Mrs. Sharma. Then what we will do? Husband ऐवजी आपण काय लिहिणार आहे? Wife. आणि Mrs. ऐवजी आपण काय लिहिणार आहे? Mr. So answer is what? Your wife knows Mr. Sharma. Your wife knows Mr. Sharma. ओके. हजबंडच्या ऐवजी आपण काय लिहिलं वाईफ आणि मिसेसच्या ऐवजी आपण लिहिलं मिस्टर. In this way we will do remaining more 7 sentences are there. That more 7 sentences we will do in next period. Today's your homework is what you have to do. You have to write down this match the pairs in your English grammar notebook. Okay. We will meet on Thursday next week. For today this much is enough. Thank you.